Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a sleek, flexible, and powerful 2-in-1 laptop, the HP Pavilion x360 ek1112TU. Whether you're a student, content creator, or a multitasker on the move, this might be the perfect laptop for you. It's powered by the latest Intel Core, i5-1335U. That's a 10-core, 12-thread chip with speeds up to 4.6 gigahertz, thanks to Intel Turbo Boost technology. This means you can breeze through daily tasks, heavy multitasking, and even some light video editing. Paired with 8 GB DDR4 RAM and a fast 512 GB NVMe SSD, it boots up in seconds and handles apps smoothly. For graphics, you get Intel Iris Xe, which is solid for casual gaming and creative applications like Photoshop or Premiere Pro at light settings. The Pavilion Sun X360 comes in a beautiful natural silver finish with a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display. You're getting vibrant visuals thanks to the 1920 by 1080 resolution, and an immersive experience with edge-to-edge glass and an 87.36% screen-to-body ratio. At just the right brightness of 250 nits, it's perfect for indoor use. And although the 45% NTSC color gamut is not pro-level, it's good enough for media consumption and light editing. Port-wise, you're well covered. 1x USB-C with power delivery and DisplayPort, 2x USB-A, 1x HDMI 2.1, a headphone/mic combo jack, and with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, connectivity is fast and reliable. Keyboard full-size, backlit natural silver keyboard. Battery life? You're looking at up to 9.5 hours, which is more than enough to get through a full workday. Plus, with HP Fast Charge, you get 50% in just 45 minutes. For video calls and media, you've got dual speakers tuned by B&O with HP Audio Boost, loud and clear sound. The 720p HP wide vision camera is solid for Zoom calls and includes noise reduction and dual mics for crisp audio.